Hey guys, you want Viral Kids special Holi photos editing? Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Please watch video till end. First, we open Google and search my website to copy prompts. You click first article, then you will see too much prompts are available, so copy prompt as you like. Then open Gemini application and click on Create Image option. Open Gallery and choose one photo as you like. Then paste prompt in a box and click Send button. And wait for a second, your Viral Kids Holi photos are ready. Similarly, you can try all prompts one by one. And don't forget to subscribe